Hello children, how are you all? So, today again we are here. But you know what we had learned before this? Yes, we had learned a, that is a, or an. Okay, so now we are going to do some activities of a or an. So, for that all of you be ready with your book and a pencil. Are you ready? Yes, good. Now look at the board. What can you see on the board? Correct, beautiful pictures. But we just don't have to look at the pictures. What we have to do? Yes, we are going to do some writing work today, right? So, all of you look at the first picture. What it is? Yes, correct. Ice cream. What it is, children? Ice cream. Now, just look at the initial sound. What is the initial sound there? Yes, I. What it is, children? I. Now, tell me, I is a vowel? Yes, it is a vowel. So, what we are going to write there? Correct. We are going to write a and an. What we will write, children? A and an. And come on, all of you repeat after me. And ice cream. Repeat, children. And ice cream. Now, look this side. What can you see? Yes, it is a vegetable. When mama prepares vegetable, she cuts and put in it, right? What it is? Correct. Tomato. Now, just look at the initial sound. What is the initial sound? Yes, T. Now tell me, T is a vowel? No. So, what we are going to write there? Yes, we are going to write A, that is a. A tomato. Very good. Now, look at this picture. What it is, children? Yes, it is a jug. Okay, now just look at the initial sound. What is the initial sound there? Very good. It is J. Now tell me, J is a vowel? Yes? No. So, what we are going to write there? Yes, we will write there A, that is A. Very good. Now, again look this side. What is this? Yes, it is a bird. Now, which bird is this? Owl. What it is, children? Owl. Now, just look at the initial sound. What it is? O. It is O. Now, tell me, O is a vowel? Yes, come on, think. Very good. Yes, it is a vowel. So, what we are going to write there, children? Yes, we will write an. So, come on, all of you write here. A and an. What we will write? A and an. Now, look here. See this picture. What it is? Yes, it sail in the water. It is a ship. Just look at the initial sound. What is the initial sound? Correct. S. So, what we are going to write here? Yes, A, because it is not a vowel. That is a ship. All of you repeat. A ship. What we are going to write? A ship. Okay. Now, look at this picture. What it is? Yes, it is an elephant. Now, tell me. Elephant. Okay, then what is the initial sound there? It is E. So, what we are going to write there? We are going to write there an. So, what it will be? Yes, we are going to write an elephant. All of you repeat, an elephant. Very good. Now, all of you look here. Now, we will move on to the next picture. Yes. Can you see, children? What is this? Yes, it is a bottle. All of you take water in the bottle, right? When you go to school. It is a bottle. Now, just look at the initial sound. What it is? Yes, correct. It is B. So, B is a vowel. Yes or no? No. So, what we are going to write there? Yes, we are going to write A. That is a bottle. Now, look at this. What it is? Yes, it is an ice cube. Okay. Now, just look at the initial sound. What it is, children? It is I. Now, tell me, I is a vowel? Yes or no? Yes, it is a vowel. So, what we are going to write there? Come on. Yes, we are going to write A and an. Okay, good. Come on, all of you repeat. And eyes. Good. Now look at this picture. What it is? Yes, it is an orange. Now you have to look at the initial sound. What is the initial sound there? Yes, it is O. So tell me, O is a vowel? Correct, it is a vowel. So what we are going to write there? Yes, we are going to write A and an. Very good. Okay, now there are few pictures over here. Can you see? Now, what you are going to do, you know? You have to look at the picture and just look at the initial sound, and you are going to write whether it is A or N. Okay, children? Now, for that, again you have to be ready with your, yes, book and a pencil. Okay. Now, all of you look here. Okay, look at the first picture. What it is? Yes, it is a book. Now, just look at the initial sound. What is the initial sound there? Yes, it is B. So, what we are going to write there? Yes, we are going to write A. That is a book. Same way, look at the next picture. What it is? Yes, it is a and. And what is the initial sound? A. So, what it will be? Yes, correct. It is a vowel. So, what we are going to write there? We are going to write A and an. That is an ant. Now, look here. Yes, cat. Just look at the initial sound. What it is? It is C. So, what we are going to write there? A cat. So, all of you repeat after me. A cat. Now, look here. Yes, all of you like to eat this fruit. Which fruit is that? Apple. Okay, now look at the initial sound. What it is? A. So, what you are going to write here? A and an. That is an apple. Now, what is this? It is a bow. Sometimes you tie in your hair, right? Yes. So, you start with which initial sound? B. So, B is a vowel? No. So, what we are going to write here? Correct. We are going to write A. That is a bow. Now, look here. What it is? Yes. You can see a girl. Now, look at the initial sound. What it is, children? Yes, it is G. Now, tell me, G is a vowel? No. So, what we are going to write there? Correct. We are going to write A. That is a girl. Very good. Now, look this side. What it is? Yes, elephant. And just look at the initial sound. What it is, children? Yes, it is E. So, what we are going to write there? Correct. We are going to write A and an. That is an elephant. Now, what is this? Igloo. Yes, it is made of ice blocks, right? So, what is the initial sound there? I. And I is a vowel? Yes, very good. So, what we are going to write here? Yes, we are going to write here an. That is an A and an igloo. Now, what is this? I. Yes. Now, look at the initial sound. What it is, children? Yes, it is E. Now, tell me, E is a vowel? Correct. It is a vowel. So, what we are going to write there? Yes, we are going to write there an. So, come on, say an I. Okay, what is this? Correct, kite. What is the initial sound? Yes, it is K. So, what we are going to write there? Yes, yes, it is a consonant. It is not a vowel. So, we are going to write a kite. Very good. Now, look here. What is this, children? Yes, it is egg. And it starts with which initial sound? E. So, what we are going to write there? Because it is a vowel. So, what we will write there? Yes, we are going to write there A and an. Now, what is this? Correct. Octopus. So, what we are going to do? It is starting with O. An. What will come there? Yes, correct. It will be A and an because O is a vowel. So write here A and an. Very good. Now, can you see few more pictures? Now, this Miss is not going to do for you. What you are going to do? This is your homework. So, you are going to write this answer and I am going to check it in next this thing. Okay, children? So, do well and write well and be a good children. Thank you.